Welcome to one of the most exclusive penthouses in Manhattan. High above the chaos, in the heart of New York City, floats a dream made of glass, steel, and sky. This isn't just real estate. This is a billionaire's sanctuary in the clouds. A residence that towers 300 feet above the city, where the skyline doesn't just sit outside your window, it becomes part of your living room. Every inch of this space is designed to impress. You're looking at over 10,000 square feet of ultra-modern luxury. Minimalist, elegant, and open, where the walls of glass let in both the skyline and the soul of New York. From handcrafted Italian furnishings to custom lighting sourced from Europe, this penthouse blends form, function, and finesse, and the views? They span from the Statue of Liberty to the Hudson River, with every iconic NYC landmark in between. Step into the chef's kitchen, outfitted with Gaggenau appliances, heated stone countertops, and a wine wall that stores over 500 bottles. This isn't just for cooking. It's for entertaining in style. The master suite is a world of its own. With a private lounge area, dual walk-in closets, and a spa-inspired marble bathroom, this is the definition of modern royalty. Of course, every system is controlled at the touch of a button. Lighting, climate, blinds, even the art rotation. Fully automated, fully effortless. And when it's time to unwind, your personal gym overlooks Central Park, and the private terrace? It feels like standing on the edge of the world. In a city where square footage is gold, this penthouse is platinum. It's not just a home, it's a bold statement of success. Because in New York, if you're going to live above it all, you might as well live like a legend.